Alright, so we are going to start off this haircut by establishing the length. As you can see, I've got the hair sectioned off with the center section down the middle of the back, dividing the left side and the right side. I've also got two A-line sections where you can see the clip is holding those sections up, and I'm combing the bottom section down and establishing the new outline. So, once we've completed this section will be the guide for the rest of the outline. It's going to be the length for the rest of the outline, and then we will have the outline all completed. so now that we've completed cutting the outline, it is time to cut the layers. I've got a center section straight down the middle back. You can see I'm coming it straight back and basically just cutting this first section of layers. That first section of layers is going to be my guide for the rest of the layering throughout the rest of the haircut. So as you can see, I've got another section, and I'm over-directing that section straight back and using that first section as my guide, which is the previous section to the current section I'm cutting now. I'm going to continue taking sections on the left-hand side, over-directing them to the previous section so that I can have a consistency in the layering. Once I've completed cutting the layers on the left side, I will continue to cut the layers on the right side. Alright, so now it is time to do the layering on the right side. You can see I'm going to take a section right here. I'm going to over-direct that to the very first layered section that I cut, which was the guide for the left side, which of course means it's going to be the guide for the right side. You can see right there is the guide. I'm cutting that first section. From here on out, the next section I will be taking and over-directing it to the previous section. So I will take this next section right here, over-direct it to the section I just got done cutting, that previous section. That's how I will maintain a consistency in the layering throughout the entirety of the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of another layered bob haircut. You can see the layers in the bob right there just at the very bottom to give the bob a little bit more volume. To make it look a little bit fuller, make it look a little thicker. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.